Yeah, I back. The babysitter's in there with that guy down there. That lady. I don't think.
No, I knew you rolled for Wednesday.
Oh, they looking for jobs now.
All ethnicity.
Yeah. They told me go to bed, but I'm peeking out the door looking at them.
Get off the phone and go to bed.
Oh. Wait, that's on the 5K babysitter.
No, it ain't.
Babysitter, something on the 5K right there, babysitter. Staring at me.
Close your eyes, you won't see it.
Don't close the light. Okay. I got to talk on the phone for a minute, okay, babysitter? She don't hear me. But she mean, that lady mean. She don't know how to treat no kids. I asked her for some ice cream. And she told me.
You need to go to sleep.
I'm not talking, babysitter. That's the girl. She over there talking about somebody talking. I'm not talking that loud. But that lady mean. I tell my daddy. That lady won't give me no ice cream. I asked for ice cream. All she think I need is milk all day. I told her I eat. She just can't give me milk all day. And my daddy ain't called to see if I ate yet. And my mama, she just came over there partying with them girls. And gonna talk about telling my daddy for me to stay with him. After he done gave her the money, she could take me to the other lady babysitter. The other lady babysitter, she don't bother me. She let me eat ice cream. She put everything right there in the fridge, and she told me where to go get it. The babysitter mean.